I'm Archana Kabilan, a Bach Foundation registered practitioner, studied from the Bach Center, UK, with 9 years of experience in the field of Bach Flower therapy. So, what are Bach Flower remedies? Bach Flower remedies are simple, gentle, yet a very effective modality of healing found by Dr. Edward Bach in the 1930s. Dr. Edward Bach, he was a bacteriologist, an English doctor, a homeopath, and a surgeon. His philosophy was to treat the individual and not the disease. And that is why he set out to discover the 38 remedies called the Bach Flower Remedies to help in dealing with emotional issues that a person is facing. Bach Flower Remedies helps in converting all the negative emotions that a person is facing to positive emotions. The negative emotions like depression, anxiety, stress, fears, loneliness, irritability, intolerance, fears of any sort, the known fears and the unknown fears. It helps any negative emotion that a person faces, an individual faces, it helps in transforming them to positive emotions. That is why it is called remedies for emotions, because Bach Flower remedies helps in converting those negative emotions to positivity and gives a person emotional equilibrium. Also, a combination of 5 flower essences called rescue remedy, which was discovered by Dr. Edward Bach, is a combination which can be used as an SOS to treat any anxiety causing situation, any traumatic situation, and if a person has witnessed near accidents situation, rescue remedy can be used, and immediately the person will be able to calm down. So that is why it is called a crisis remedy or rescue remedy. So anybody can be benefited by Bach Flower remedies. It can be right from an infant to an adult, and also pregnant women, they can be benefited by Bach Flower remedies, but they will have to consult with their doctors or general practitioners before taking the Bach Flower remedies. Please note, this is not aromatherapy. This is called the Bach Flower remedy system or Bach Flower therapy, Bach Flower essences. And this will be in the form of vials like this. It will be in the form of drops, and you will have to consume the drops. It can be a combination or individual remedies depending on what the individual takes. Depending on their state of mind, they can consume the remedies. It is non-habit forming, it is non-addictive, it is natural and safe to use. It will also not interfere or intervene with the other system of medication that you can take, which means it can definitely be taken along with the other medications like English medications or homeo medications that you're taking. It can be parallelly taken along with those also. So this system is excellent for individuals if they want to stay stress-free and if they want to achieve their balance and calm in life. Bach Flower remedies will definitely help you to stay stress-free, happy, and to achieve your balance in life. Thank you.